I was obsessed with my son's hair when I did these wavy part stitch braids going to the back. Man, I loved it because it was unique and it was a challenge. So, I had to run it back. And here's my daughter. She's my model. And I'm doing it into a ponytail. And I'm so excited. So, right now, I am showing you guys how I did the braid pattern, like as far as like pre-parting for the ponytail. So, like most ponytails, you want to start off with braids in the middle. You can either do 4 or you could do 2. I'm doing 2 because this is going into like a curly ponytail. Also wanted to do something different other than just having the braids just being down. So that is why I am doing a curly ponytail. And these braids are tightly done, not super tight, but they're done. Like, I'm not going to touch them anymore. Now I am starting off with doing the wavy parts. And the key to wavy parts is you want to start off big, then going small, and then you do the opposite for the next braid. So like I'm creating it in a pattern, kind of like if it starts off like at the beginning going into the ponytail as small with a little big and then go back small, then I do the next one like you see right here as big. And I am lightly braiding these. Again, I am just creating the braid pattern. This saves so much time when it comes to actually doing the style. I was actually working on time. But as far as like the waves, again, you can kind of see like me going in and out. And I'm not going to say that these are concrete parts because, again, I am doing the pre-part method. But for the majority of it, this is pretty much how it would be parted. But the reason why I said it probably won't stay, I might change it up, it's because I'm not defining it completely. I am just parting it and pretty much looking to see like how I want it to go. When I clean it up, when I actually start to begin the braid, um, I'll really see. But for the most part, I try to get it as accurate as possible. So all I'm doing is adding product and just braiding. So if you are in a time crunch, this is the process that you want to do, because I'm telling you, when it's time to braid, it just makes the whole braiding process just go so much smoother. And if you are finding value to this content and really enjoying it, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and follow and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting. Right now, I'm just showing you the pre-parting way. And again, if you want to go see the straight back method, you can always go head over to there as well once you get done seeing this. But this is how it is if you want to do like a ponytail. So I'm pretty much just getting all the way done. Here's the finished look. I hope this video really helped you as far as pre-parting. And here is how it looks pre-parted and the finished product. Well, if you like this, make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. And here's some other tutorials. See you in the next one. Peace and hair grease. Bye.